We're out here in Hidden Valley Recreation Area, and that's Mommy and Megan riding way off in the distance. We're waiting for them around the corner here. Really pretty out here. Easy trail. And I'll zoom back out. This is at the edge of Norco and Riverside. If you take Arlington from Riverside, almost into Norco on the right side, you'll see a parking lot. And the parking lot goes over, it's $5 parking, and the riverbed parallels this trail. And the bike trail breaks off two sections, two different directions down there. It's a real easy, pretty flat ride. Scenery's gorgeous today. It's the last day of spring break for the kids, so hello.
Hi.
Hello. That's a nice trail.
Yeah.
Little T intersection, goes along some houses, then it joins up on the main path here. And my seat's wiggling, so hopefully it stays on. We're gonna try that route. This hill kind of sucks, but the flowers are really pretty. This is a nice coast. Pretty flat. We ride mountain bikes, so we're not super fast like some of these other people. Now it's uphill a little bit. When I get to the divider, I might have to put the phone down. Don't want to wreck on camera. Hey, there's a dust devil. No, it's a car. Airplane. Hi. Hi. Mountains are pretty. Here comes Little Hill. Put this down a little bit so I don't eat it. Whee! There's a horse. I'm supposed to stop here, but no one's here, so breaking the law, breaking the law. Hello. This is we parked right back here. So where you see the maintenance facility where the rangers posted and the horses for the equestrian, you can park just past that. There's a little public parking place where you put $5 at the box. It's all just slightly downhill. I'm not pedaling at all right now. A big group of riders, so be careful I don't munch everybody. That would suck. I'm gonna watch them too. Some of these dudes get tired and drift over or whatever. How you doing? Hello. Hi. How much that you can see when I'm putting the phone down, but kind of necessary. Howdy. Okay, so there's a steep incline here. I might bail out right here because I don't like the hills. I'm gonna stop and wait for my crew. Okay, so that hill was easy. Dip down and up. Let's see, I messed up here. Hey, there's a lookout there, Austin. Want to go read it? No. Yeah, let's go read it real quick. Unless you're worried about your tire. You're worried about your tire? Oh, look at the doggy. Hello, doggy. Yeah, I'm gonna go. This is way downhill, so get ready to brake, okay? And don't brake with your front brake either. Okay, I'm gonna try to use no brake on this. It looks fairly steady. This is not too bad. There was one little dip on that hill back there, so I'm glad that I didn't try to video going down that one, because I probably would have lost my phone or something. This is really pretty right here. Or bike coming. All right, I gotta stop. All right, this is a break off. Okay, so here the trail breaks off, and the direction it goes straight ends up back at Arlington. But if you make a right turn here, it goes across this little road, which is the road you use to get to the parking lot. And then it goes down by the river, it looks like. So we're going this direction. You have to make a U-turn. Make sure there's no one coming over that corner before you turn around. All right, so we're on the opposite side of the street now. We're going to go for it. This looks like it's mostly downhill to the river, which makes sense. I put the phone in my wrong hand here. So my left brake is on the left hand. I have to switch it. All right, here we go. That's in the correct hand. Slow it down a little bit. I got some birds crossing here, so I'll run them over. This is all downhill here, no pedaling. Make a little left turn. So this gives you an idea. If you're a novice like us, we're probably not going to ride too much further. It gives you an idea what this park is like. And if you're a really good bike rider, you can have a lot of good miles down here. And we just like to go out and enjoy the scenery and come back, probably spend an hour. So we're right up against the riverbed now. And most of this trail, you can ride it in Riverside, it's along the riverbed, and there's various places that you can ride along the riverbed. This is Norco now. It goes pretty far up there, you can tell. Not sure how far down it goes. There's broken pieces in the middle, and a lot of this I think you can ride down towards the beach. So I'm going to video this little area here and probably sign out. There's a dirt walking path over there too. If you want to go take your bike down there and walk around, I guess. I wonder, does this turn back and connect, Austin? It might connect to that main road over there. This is the driving road, is it not? No, it isn't, is it? Huh, okay. Well, it goes up there and goes back down this way, so.
Right.
That's part of the Hidden Valley Recreation Area. There's horses in here too. I think you ran horses back there and ride them, right, Mama?
No, not picking my phone. I think they're carrying them in.
Oh, okay. There's some bikes way up there. There on the street, it looks like, or else that's the topside trail that we just turned, huh?
I think so.
So, all right.